Hi friends, welcome to Kindred Soul Food. The Jawar Carrot Khapli Wheat Cake is healthy, delicious and almost gluten-free. And a truly have your cake and eat it too combination. Use of jaggery gives it a deep rustic sweetness and mixture of khapli wheat and jawar gives it a unique texture and taste. So let's look at the ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon flax seeds powder in a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of warm water to it and mix it well. In a mixer jar, add 3/4 cup of milk. This is a 200 ml capacity cup and all the measurements I have taken are with this cup. Then 3/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of jaggery powder, 1 cup yogurt. Please ensure all the liquids and ingredients are at room temperature. We will blend this mixture for few seconds till the jaggery completely dissolves. Now we'll remove this mixture in the main mixing bowl. In a sieve, add 1 cup jawar flour, half cup of khapli wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon ginger powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and mix everything ensuring the mixture is lump free. We have specially used khapli wheat here as it has minimal gluten and jawar is anyway gluten free. As such, this cake will be almost gluten free. Now we are adding 1.5 cup of grated carrot and also the flax seeds mixture. We have taken the same quantity of carrot as the flour, so the cake will have a good strong carrot flavor. Then add half of the chopped walnuts and the remaining half we will use for garnishing on top later. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and incorporate it well in the mixture. Pour the cake mixture in the tin lined with baking paper and then tap it a few times to remove all the air bubbles trapped inside. Finally, we will top the batter with the remaining chopped walnuts and then gently press them in the batter with the back of the spoon. The oven is preheated to 170 degrees Celsius and now we'll bake the cake at 170 degrees for 45 minutes. The cake is cooled down now for 15 minutes and we will turn it upside down to remove the baking paper. You can see how evenly it's baked and it's so spongy and soft. You can easily make slices out of it. This eggless cake is full of nutrients and its texture is so soft and fluffy. This cake is a perfect combination of health and happiness that can be enjoyed by all. Hope you've liked this recipe. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and good health to all.